Hi, folks. Welcome to this session. This session is to introduce another third-party library to manipulate Excel files. This third-party library is called Xlwings. Unlike the OpenPY Excel and Excel Writer, Xlwings is you will find it more intuitive to use. This is because behind the scenes in the backend, Xlwings is using the Microsoft Win32 package to directly interact with the Excel programs installed on your machine. What this means is to use Xlwings, you are required to have Excel program installed on your machine. Unlike Excel writers or OpenPY Excel, which does not require Excel program even, Xlwings, you do need Excel program to work. But Xlwings has a lot of flexibilities because you're essentially combining Python and Excel native functions within the same workflow. For example, you can even call Excel formulas directly within your Python code. And vice versa as well. You can call Xlwings Python code in Excel VBAs. So this is why Xlwings is very unique. If you like Xlwings after these few sessions, please feel free to find out more courses online that published by Felix. Felix is a founder for Xlwings. He invented Xlwings many years ago, and I highly recommend you follow Felix LinkedIn and to learn all the advanced new features Xlwings publishes. So with this being said, I hope you enjoy the next few courses. Please make sure you practice in VS Code for those code examples I presented within each course. And hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.